Hello everyone, this is Axel, Product Manager of EtherCAT IO System Product Division. I'm in charge of the AMAX series product. As you may be aware, we are living in the big data era. No matter AI or control system applications, people will more and more rely on data in the field to make decisions. In the factory and the other automation domains, ModBus TCP is the most well-known and accepted Ethernet protocol used to collect field side data. In this course, I will introduce AMAX-5070, the ModBus TCP coupler for the AMAX-5000 I system. I will tell you why AMAX-5070 is important to your IoT application. Its slim form factor and the flexible I/O configuration will give you a cost-effective and compact I/O system. Moreover, EtherCAT as the I/O communication backbone will also give you a high efficiency and a reliable data source for your big data applications. We welcome you to this course and look forward to see you at the IoT Academy. Thank you.